Hey YouTube, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hack Monopoly Go and get free dice rolls and money. That's right, how to hack Monopoly Go and get free dice rolls and money. Keep watching this tutorial and I'm going to walk you through that. Okay, so before I actually walk you through the process of downloading the modded version of Monopoly Go, I want to show you it actually works. So let me go ahead and open up my modded version of Monopoly Go. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that mod menu. And right now I've got 14 dice rolls, but watch what happens when I click on these dice rolls. Boom, boom, and boom. I'm up to 964 free dice rolls. Let me go ahead now and walk you through how to get your phone set up correctly in order for this download to work. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the settings app on our phones, and we're gonna first check in battery. And just make sure that our low power mode is switched off and that we have plenty of battery to work with, which I do. If low power mode is on when you try and download this, it does not work correctly. So please just turn low power mode off. And then the next thing we're gonna check is under general, and it is this background app refresh. We wanna make sure this one is checked on. So checked on using just Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data, but one of those two bottom options does need to be checked. And the next thing I'm going to check is just because I have an iPhone and I use iOS. If you have an Android, go ahead and skip this step, but you're going to go into About and then click on your iOS version and just make sure that you're updated to, at the minimum, iOS 11. Anything under iOS 11, this download is not going to work correctly, so just make sure you're updating your phone. And now we're actually going to go on the website where we will download this modded app from. So go ahead and open up your internet browser, and in the URL you're going to type in tweakfix.co. That's tweakfix.co, and press go. It takes you on this awesome website with a ton of different options for modded and hacked games. I just want to show you some more options just to show you that we have a ton. But the Monopoly Go is right there, and I just want to show you too, we have a search bar so you can look for what you're, if I can spell it right, you can search for what you're looking for really easy. Once you've found it, you're just going to press that blue install button next to it and wait a moment while this downloads. Please, please, please keep watching this tutorial all the way until the very end though, because there is an additional step you need to take in order for this download to work correctly, and I don't want you missing out on free dice rolls and money on Monopoly Go. Do. Almost there. Okay, wonderful. When it is completed, this little pop-up comes up. You're just going to say allow, close, and then we're going to complete that final step by going back to the settings app of our phones, going all the way back to the main screen of the settings, scrolling up until we see this new button that says profile downloaded. Just complete what they're asking you to for the installation process. It is super duper easy. But when it's all done, it'll say done in the top right hand corner, and that modded version of Monopoly Go is right there for you to play. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.